Sometimes if you get a jam, you want to be able to charge it really quick. This isn't necessarily the easiest or most ergonomic. You also have like a pinch point that it can bite you. So most guys switch away from this. GSC is selling basically Ruger stock bolts with an upgraded Volt Quartz and extractor on it. You've got this round knob. You can kind of grab it any which way. You don't have to worry about it biting you. You don't have to worry about timing it. It's real ergonomic. That's my preferred method, but you get an entirely new bolt with it. So you also get a Volt Quartz and extractor. So this is one of the weak points of the bolt that they're putting one of these extractors in there. Typically the Volt Quartz and exact edge is about 15 bucks. You get the whole combo for 75 bucks. So you get a spare bolt. You can still have your old bolt if you want to go back to it, but for 75 bucks, you get a charging handle, you get an exact extractor, and you get a spare bolt. I don't think you can beat that for the money. So it's a very good upgrade. That it installs literally in a second. You just pop it apart and like literally it's just a drop it. Press button, split it, put it in. They're coming in brass option, which shown here. Then they'll have an anodized black. So they'll be laser engraved. Check them out.